Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to copy and paste text between an Android smartphone to a Windows PC on any Android phone. Now to do that, on your Windows PC, just open Google Chrome. Now to visit the copy paste official website, in the search bar, just search copy paste.me. On this page, just click on manually. Now on your Android smartphone, just open the web browser app and in the search bar, just search copy paste.me. Now on this page, just tap on manually, then tap on this URL. Now just enter the code which is given on your Windows PC and enter it on your Android smartphone. Now on your Windows PC, just click on connect now. Now on your Android smartphone, you can copy any text from anywhere. Like I will copy a text from here, just like that. Now just select copy. Now just go back to the website. Now make sure you select text and paste the copied text right here. Now just tap on send. Now as you can see, the copied text has appeared on our Windows PC. Now just click on copy to clipboard and you can paste the copied text anywhere you like. Now just press Ctrl V to paste the copied text. And this is how you can copy and paste text between an Android smartphone to a Windows PC on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.